Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Meerut? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Meerut. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. 1. We have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call The Hindu Zone Institute. So moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. Since its inception in 2005, Career Launcher Meerut has been built a reputation for success and reliability. Their team comprises faculty members from top-notch MBA and engineering institutions. They have successfully sent hundreds of students to IIMs and other top B schools, as well as to the top national law schools in the country. Their outstanding results year by year are true reflection of their excellence. Okay, now let's discuss some of the features of joining Career Launcher Institute. The very first is they have top-notch faculty team. Then faculty is available 24/7 for doubt solving. Further, small batch size of 30 to 35 students. Consistent monitoring of students' progress. Then library facility, online lab facility, exhaustive study material and exhaustive online test series is provided by the institute with focus on academic excellence and technological innovation. Now let's discuss the address and the contact number of the institute. So, the address of Career Launcher includes 217 second floor Kamla Complex, Chippy Tank, opposite RG Inter College, Meerut, UP 25005. Their contact number is 0121 400 549. Okay, at rank 4, we have GATE Forum Coaching. GATE Forum provides best training to GATE aspirants through its wide network of over 50 plus centers across India. Further, GATE Forum's GATE online courses and GATE distance learning programs are the most sought after courses by GATE aspirants. GATE Forum Meerut is fully equipped to guide you on various GATE courses. Their expert faculties have an experience of over a decade in training GATE aspirants. Their courses comprise of live classes for GATE, G Drive, and they also provide you with personal GATE trainer and GATE study material along with GATE question bank. Now let's discuss some of the advantages of joining GATE Forum Meerut. The very first is they have a student support center and a pan-India network. Further, Google Drive with video lectures and more with consistent results and high quality study material is provided by the institute. The address of GATE Forum includes 169-1 Gyan Tower, 3rd floor, Mangal Pandey Nagar near CCS University, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh 250103. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Brilliant Tutorials. The address of Brilliant Tutorials includes 2nd floor Kumar Plaza, opposite GIC Begum Bridge, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh 25002. Their contact number includes 0121 4029280 and the mobile number is 9897 46854. Founded in 1970, Brilliant Tutorials is a pioneering institution in distance education, the largest of its kind in India. Every year, students from every corner of the country, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, come to Brilliant for helping in achieving their career goals. Further, excellent course material, experienced faculty, and a committed management have built Brilliant Tutorials into one of the most trusted institutions in the area of preparing students for competitive entrance examinations for admission to professional courses. In addition to this, its faculty comprises of 125 experienced professors and lecturers design the curriculum and compile the course material based on extensive analysis of competitive exams over the years and the latest developments in all the subjects. Year after year, in the most prestigious of competitive examinations like IIT, JEE, GATE, Entrance, etc., brilliant students bag the top ranks. So, these were our top 5 institutes for best GATE coaching in your city, Meerut. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.